Good morning guys, so today I'm going to make some banana peanut butter jam toast and coffee for breakfast. Here I am heating up the toast, spreading some peanut butter jam. I love this brand so much. It comes with the coconut flakes. And there you go, my breakfast is ready in less than 5 minutes. And now I'm going to prepare my lunch. Today I'm going to have some salmon, broccoli and cauliflower with brown rice for lunch. This is how I cook the vegetables, yes. And it's time to cook the fish. I love salmon so much lately. Adding in some olive oil. And this is the brand I'm using at the moment. I will go light with the seasoning. I'll just add in some salt to the salmon. Yeah, this is one of my winning strategies to maintain my body shape and weight over a long time by cutting down the seasoning and flavoring intakes. And my lunch is ready. Adding in some lemon to make it refreshing. And this is my favorite lunch combo with carbs, with fibers and protein. I really love these recipes because it really helps to keep me full throughout the afternoon. And I'm seasoning these vegetables with some Italian dressing. It's sweet and sour. I just love it. And it's time for snacks. I really love chocolate. And this is my favorite sea salt chocolate from Links. It's so satisfying to have just a small chunk of it after lunch. And it's time for dinner. I'm preparing some yummy turmeric tofu wrap. It's really easy to prepare this dish. As you can see, all you need to do is just to pan fry all the ingredients, add in the turmeric and just fry it. Adding in some soy sauce and my dinner is ready. This is my favorite go-to recipe when I'm really busy. Yeah, I can just simply prepare this dinner in less than 15 minutes time. It's really time saving and it's really yummy. I learned this recipe from a YouTuber and I've been eating it for a long time, and sometimes you can even change it to add in some tuna or some fish. Yeah, it's really up to you and you can personalize it in your own way. Sometimes I'll even add in some baby spinach, and don't forget to add in my favorite lemon, yeah, to keep it really refreshing. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys loved this video and stay tuned for the next sharing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See ya!